Hi, welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Wednesday, the 16th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. As usual, that's gold, and what we have got is a bit of a consolidation in gold, very near-term consolidation, basically over the last 5 days. It's not really gone anywhere, but you do still have this downtrend intact. Momentum indicators negative on the RSI, negative on the MACD, having crossed over, and you're still sort of bearish on the stochastics as well. You do see this this consolidation, which is sort of now pulling you back into this downtrend and testing that downtrend in the last sort of couple of hours. It's not, I mean, to be fair, I think it's probably to be expected in front of the Fed, this consolidation, without traders willing to take any sort of real view ahead of the data. Or ahead of that crucial announcement, but I think ultimately still the outlook is negative, and sort of even if that downturn were to be decisively broken by sort of this consolidation that moves sideways, I don't think that's any sign of a recovery impending. So I think that you'd be using any sort of rallies as a chance to sell. You've got the initial resistance at around 110, which was yesterday's, the high from Monday. That resistance coming in around 1,110 and 1,117 being the old resistance, the old support of those key lows back from early September. So a couple of levels for you to work with, but ultimately I see this just as a sideways consolidation, nothing more than that at the moment. There's no real sign on the daily chart of any real recovery. Yes, you've seen those stochastics sort of bottom, but I think that's rather than sort of suggesting that's the start of a recovery. I think that's just them reflecting that consolidation. Other momentum indicators, all moving averages, all pointing towards further weakness. So any rallies, I think, is still a chance to sell on this gold chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.